Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, we're gonna start. Okay, today inshallah we're gonna start a new lesson. The previous one, it was internal structures and functions of animals. Okay, so today we're gonna start on topic 7, lesson 4, external structures and functions of animals. You know that the word external means the outer structure that's seen clear. You can see it by yourself, okay, by your eyes. It's so clear. So we said before also that the scientists classify the animals into two groups, vertebrates or invertebrates. Vertebrates mean the animal that they have backbones, they have skeletons support their body structures. But what about the invertebrates? Okay, so we said vertebrate, they have a skeleton to support their body structures. What about the invertebrates? How their body structure supported by? Supported by a new thing. So first, again, let me repeat, let's remember that the support system of vertebrates is exoskeleton. Not all the animals have support systems similar to those of vertebrates. So not all the animals have exoskeleton. So we have another animals or other animals, they have another thing called exoskeleton. Called what? Exoskeleton. The word exoskeleton or exoskeleton, this is the support system of some animals. Exoskeleton, this is the support system of some animals, is an exoskeleton. Exoskeleton is a hard external covering, that is waterproof. Again, one more time, is a hard external covering that is waterproof. Is a hard external covering that is waterproof. Like what? Our first talk about the function. We know before that everything or every structure has a function. Each structure has a function, has a particular job. So what is the function of the exoskeleton? Like the skeleton support the animal body, number one. Like the skeleton support the animal body. And number two, now we talk about some animals or invertebrate animals. So the body is so soft, not like the animal that they have a skeleton. So they need something to protect this soft body. So the function of the exoskeleton, number one, support the animal body, and number two, protect the soft body underneath. Again, support the animal body, and number two, protect the soft body underneath. The large exoskeleton can be like this one and called shell. Called what? Shell. One more time, shell. Okay. Let's talk about some animals and what about their exoskeleton. Let's start by the snail, okay? Snail's exoskeleton is shell. Snail's exoskeleton is shell, okay? What is the function? We know that each structure has a function. So snail's shell, number one, protect the snail from the sun and water loss. Again, protect the snail from the sun and water loss. This is number one, the first function. The second one, as you see here, the snail, right, yes, it is not clear. You can see, but it's not clear. Why? Because the snail shell sometimes help the snail to camouflage into its environment. And the word camouflage means is when the animals blend in with their surrounding so they are not seen by other living things. This one or this function to help the animals, to protect the animals, okay? So two functions again of the snail shell. Number one, protect the snail from sun and water loss. Number two, snail's shell help snails to camouflage into its environment. And the word camouflage, as you see, when the animals blend in with their surroundings so they are not seen by other living things, okay? This is a different shape. How the snail can camouflage, look like its environment, take the shape the color of the environment to become not clear for other animals. Number two, let's talk about the ladybug. What about the ladybug? This is the second animal and also it has an exoskeleton, okay? The ladybug exoskeleton The main function help to protect its wings. The main function of the exoskeleton in the ladybug helps to protect its wings. Again, helps to protect its wings. Let me tell you that the ladybug have two pairs of wings. How many? Two pairs of wings. The hard one and the soft one. The hard set, this is the exoskeleton, and the soft set for flight. So the hard set, the exoskeleton. The soft set for flight. The soft set for flight, as you see again. The hard one is the exoskeleton, the soft set for flight. And the main function of the exoskeleton, the ladybug exoskeleton, help to protect its wings, as you see. Help to protect its wings. The third animal, it is the crab. The third animal, crab. I think some of you like it. I like it too. It is so nice. Crab, boys or girls, crab's exoskeleton is shell. Crab's exoskeleton is shell. Like what? Try to remember. Right, like the snail. Like that. Sorry. Like the snail. So crab's exoskeleton is shell. Like the snail. We said before also like snail. Exoskeleton is shell. But what about the ladybug? Yes, the hard set of wings. Hard set of wings. This is the exoskeleton. What is the function of the crab's shell function? Number one, crabs protect the crab's internal structure. So the main function protect, okay? Protect the crab's internal structures and help crabs survive. If it is protect the internal structure, so now the crabs can survive well. So help crabs survive. So number one, protect crabs' internal structures. Protect crabs' internal structures. And number two, help crabs survive. Help crabs survive. Okay, this is the main function of the crab's shell. Let's answer the question now. Okay, number one, true or false? Ladybug use the hard set of wings for flight. True or false? Yeah, of course it is false. The ladybug use the hard set for exoskeleton. Hard set for exoskeleton. But the soft one for flight, not the hard, okay? Number two, snail's shell helps it to camouflage. True or false? Yeah, it's true. Snail's shell helps it to camouflage. This is the second function. And the first one, it's protect the snails from what? From the sun and water loss. Who or which part here can protect the snail from the sun and water loss? Which one protect the snail from the sun and water loss? It is the exoskeleton, right? It is the exoskeleton. Great, boys. After that, we can say here that the hard set of ladybug is the exoskeleton. True or false? The hard one is the exoskeleton. True or false? Yes, true. The hard set of the ladybug is the exoskeleton, but the soft one, wings for flight. So, again, I said that the snail exoskeleton is shell, the ladybug exoskeleton hard set of wings, the crab exoskeleton is shell also, okay? But we have other external structures of animals. The animal that they don't have exoskeleton. Other external structure provide protection. Now they need other external structure to provide them protection. What about this function? Different function. Let's start with the skin. What about your skin? Look at your hand, look at your leg, your face, everything covered with the skin. Subhanallah. What about the skin? For protection, the main function skin protect the animal body. The main function that the skin protect the animal body. Skin protect the animal body. But the skin, subhanallah, can be in different colors and textures. Someone white, someone black, someone brown, and also with different texture. Some smooth, another one rough, some thick, another one thin. So different colors and textures. But the main function, protect the animal body. The main function of the skin, protect the animal body. As you see here, it has this animal thick and rough skin. Thick and rough skin. Thick rough skin. Why? To protect it from the hot African sun and biting insect. Okay, so it has thick, rough skin. It has what? It has what? Thick, rough skin. Why? To protect its body from the hot African sun and also from biting insect. Another animal, naked morates, have soft hair and thin. Here it has soft and thin skin. Soft, thin skin. Why? Because this animal need the soft, thin skin because they live underground, where the soil is cool and dark. Where the soil is cool and dark. So what about this snake morat? Has soft, thin skin because they live underground where the soil here is cool and dark. Okay, let's talk about fur tomorrow inshallah. Thank you so much.